favorite drinks is the Espresso Tonic, which is like a coffee cocktail kind of, just tonic water and espresso over an orange peel. Very, very simple to make, but really effective flavor profile. Like I said, it's a very simple drink in concept, but it delivers very strongly on the flavor front. So we're going to start with Fever Tree tonic water and do that over our ice in glass. And then next we need an orange peel. I'm going to take my orange peel and express it over the top of the tonic water. You can see it react to that. All the juices and oils of an orange peel are on the outside of the peel. So you want to do it peel facing your drink. Then we're going to give it a quick brush around the rim and set that aside for a moment. And now we just need to pull our shot, which I'll do over on this side for you. So we go about 9 bars of pressure, and you can actually see that to your left here. That's the gauge. You can adjust it. There's a small dial underneath the machine. Usually we do between 9 and 11 bars of pressure. Stop right there. Perfect. And now it's just as simple as pouring the espresso over the orange peel. So the heat from the espresso is going to naturally bring out some more of the oils of the peel. So we're going to let it kind of take its time running down that. And there you have it. Very, like I said, very simple but effective. And you'll see how it's still kind of separated. A mistake that a lot of people make unknowingly is mixing it too quickly and it'll explode like a baking soda, vinegar, science experiment, because the heat from the espresso and the carbonation don't really get along, so it'll foam up and react very strongly. But as it cools, it'll kind of settle and start naturally mixing a little bit. And eventually, you can mix it yourself and hope that it won't bubble up too bad. There you go. Yeah, that's the Espresso Tonic.